Hello everyone, and thank you all for checking this video. So in this tutorial, we are going to configure Postman as an API client to Zscaler's OneAPI. So this is the Z identity. So this is the new way for us to do some API calls to Zscaler services like ZDX, ZPA, etc. So we're only gonna talk to one destination, which is Z identity. Now this is the guide for configuration and all. And then we are going to squeeze it in just 4 easy steps. So let's get right into it. Now, first is we install Postman and make sure that we are logged in. So here's our Postman and we are logged in here somewhere. Next is we download the collection, the Postman collection, and import it. So let's go back to the guide. We download it here, download JSON, and then we import it. I already downloaded it earlier. So all we have to do is import it. Go to collections right here and then import. Okay, we import the file. It's currently reading it. And right here. So it's uploaded now. Updated OneAPI collection. Okay, let's wait for it. Then next is we need to get the following values right here. Just 3 values. And then we also need to create an API client in ZIdentity. So first is the ZIdentity based URL. This is the URL where we log in. So here's my URL and then the zslogin.net. We're done with this. And for client ID and API secret, well, we'll need to create an API client for this step in ZIdentity. So let's go to ZIdentity. And then let's add an API client. So it is in integration and then API clients page. So we add an API client and then give it a name, testing, and then we enable it. And token validity, let's just do 1,000 minutes for this example. And for client authentication, Postman only supports secret. So that's what we'll do, secret, add a secret, and then copy it. So we only have this chance to copy it. After we save it, it's gone. We're going to be able to see it somewhere. Okay, copy, paste it here in our notepad. And then resources, we only need ZDX permission here for this test. Let's just do super admin for this test and click on save. After clicking on save, we get our client ID, copy it, post it here. All right, we're done on this for this step. And then last is we authorize to get a new access token. So we go to Postman for this step and click the updated OneAPI collection and go to authorization tab. Now this is where we authorize. So normally from the guide, we do the variables here, but in this tutorial, we're just gonna manually use the authorization, put the values manually. So number 1 is the access token URL. Put the URL, ZIdentity URL here. Okay. And client ID is here. And secret. All right, that's done. Let's see. Okay, we saved it, and that's all we need. And then we click Get New Access Token. Okay, authentication is complete. We use this token, and then we're done. So basically, we're now able to make API calls. So just for ZDX, in this example, we go to ZDX. Let's see, go to users. Let's do reporting users. We get all the users and their location, for example. Click it and then send. Sending the request. And then we got our result right here. So for this call, we get the user's geolocation and the Zscaler ZAA location as well. That's it, everyone. Thank you all for watching.